wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammad Faris Mifzal bin Abdul Halim. And for the individual assignment that I have been assigned, I will talk about the Love Canal tragedy and relate the type of contaminant. So the Love Canal tragedy has the history of Love Canal tragedy was started back in 1890. It was used as a model plant community, but then it was only partially being developed. So in 1894, the work has begun on canal that would have linked Lake Erie and Ontario, but it was abandoned after only 1 mile. So next, in 1920, the land has become a dump site for municipal refuse for the city of Niagara Falls. Next, for the 1940, the land was then being used as a dumping site because the Hooker Chemical Company has purchased the land. There was about 19,800 tons of chemical byproducts from the manufacturing of dyes, perfumes, solvents of rubber and synthetics. Next, in 1970, the tragedy had unfolded. By the late 1970s, the residents began to experience health issues, including high rates of cancer, birth defect, miscarriage, and other critical and chronic illness. The chemical waste started seeping into the soil of backyard in homes and the nearby school, which have been resulting in a toxic fuel and contaminants in the water supply and soil. People also complain about the strange odors, black sludge and puddles with chemical sheen. The Love Canal tragedy have given a big impact on health and environment to the surroundings, such as higher cancer rates, birth defects such as neurological and skin disorders. Next, I will share about the type of contaminant that have been found during the Love Canal tragedy. So, during the tragedy, there are various types of contaminants are being found. So, during the Love Canal tragedy, there are various types of contaminants that are being found. But for this presentation, I will highlight only four types of contaminants. So, for the first one is benzene, or also known as carcinogen. This contaminant is highly toxic. Thus, it will link to leukemia and other blood disorder. This chemical also highly flammable, which is easy to burn and will cause the risk of explosion on the site. It has risk for respiratory and neurological damage, which is for our brain. Next, corrosive chemicals. The corrosive chemical that have been found is acids are acids and bases. It has damaged the soil structure, as if the soil is become very acidic or very alkaline, the property of the soil will damage. Next is also accelerate the leaching process, which is the liquid that form that the which is the liquid that have been formed by the rubbish. Next, it also allowing other contaminants to spread more easily. For the third one is dioxin. It is among the most toxic chemical compound. It can adverse effect on the immune and reproductive system. It also have a high potential to cause cancer to human beings. It is a byproduct of chemical manufacturing, which is largely being used in the manufacturing industry. Next is heavy metals. There are some of the heavy metals that have been found on the Love Canal is lead, mercury, and cadmium. There are other type of heavy metal, but for this presentation, I just put three of the heavy metals. These heavy metals can cause significant health issue, particularly for children, which is the development delays, which is their brain delays or physical delays, neurological damage, which is for their brain, kidney and liver toxicity, which is not good for the children. So that's all from me for this presentation. Thank you.